Okay, everybody, thanks for coming back in. I'm Ron with Fab and Build. We're on the welding cart again today. We're going to be working on these side panels. I'd mentioned earlier that we were going to put create a box, stainless back, painted black on the front, laser cut the logo out. That way when I turn it on, it would shine out, be nice, and be cool. We're not going to do that because of the chain. So we're going to put a flat panel in here, just flush it up with this, tack weld it into place, get it welded out, do this on the right and left sides, and then move on. So that's what we're going to tackle today. Thanks for coming in. We'll see you back here in the shop. Okay, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and put these latches on the back door. I bought these latches that have these. I'll fully explain these a little bit better. They are adjustable, but they do pull out. I don't know if you can see that. Then they clip back down and they hold on. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn some things around, get this ready, and we're gonna get to these side panels. What I'm going to do is I'm going to nip these corners with my grinder, my cut wheel, for the welds. Just nip them off a little bit on each corner. That way that thing will just recess right in there, hold it in with the magnets, tack weld that thing into place, and then run the welds around it. All right, those are done. They didn't need to be real big. They're just small, so. Okay, everybody. I told y'all I didn't like the welds that was on here. I went through, unloaded my memory card into my computer, labeled everything. Somehow I lost all the welding footage of these side panels, but that's okay. You wouldn't want to see me really do this twice anyway. So I'm grinding these down. And the ones I didn't like, I'm taking them back off. The ones that actually are good, I'm going to leave them on here. And we're just going to go from there. But I'm going to redo the ones I did not like, the ones that I ground down. So that's what we're doing today. Let this cool just a touch. Okay, I've got this jack lined up right in here on the bottom side, on that other side, so I don't damage any of these drawer guides in here. I'm going to get this up so far and be able to teeter it over and get it back up on its wheels. In case any of you are wondering, I am going to repaint this entire cart and get it looking right. I'm looking into a clear coat for this. Okay, I think that's going to be it. Well, had one of them that came out, but it didn't get damaged. This is how I do a lot of this stuff by myself. In case any of you might be wondering. So, I'm gonna go there. This one will go here. I think we're cool enough. Any of these coming down. All right, and there we go. All right, got to set out some sun tea. Best tea in Texas right here. All right, I'm gonna get my gear on and we're gonna grind this stuff down. Move over here to the welding side of it. Get this thing tacked up. Okay, everybody, we're gonna get this thing tacked up, or not tacked up, we're gonna get it welded out. Okay, I'm gonna get my jack, get it around front, and get this thing back up on its wheels. So this essentially is almost almost the center point of the cart, one of the heavier parts with all the metal that's up front here. Of course, you'll notice the higher I get, the more it's going to teeter one way or the other because of the wheels down there by the blocks. Okay. All right. I do believe and there we go. All good. I'm going to get this cleaned up a little bit, do some sweeping, and we'll be right back. Okay, everybody, that's going to pretty much wrap it up for today on the welding cart. We've got the back door latch in, made that nice and sturdy and stable. We've got the side panels in on both sides. Got those cut to size, tacked, and welded into place. Had to come back and re-weld some of those that weren't so great. I just had to have a different orientation to make sure I was getting good welds. I had to lay it over on its side. It's hard for me to get down on the ground and do good anymore. So just as long as I know that, I know what I got to do. So anyway, we're going to come back tomorrow and we're going to start on the TIG rod filler rack over here. So I've got a frame, then I have the plates that we will fabricate and put out. I'm probably going to make those plates out of the same 16 gauge material. I have plenty of that hanging around here. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that and keep the cost of this cart down. It's gotten way out of hand for me. I'm just getting too many ideas in my head, so I should stick with the plain Jane stuff that I know is going to work in the beginning. Anyway, then we'll have the electrical and the tray. Then we're on to the drawers. I will leak this out a little bit. We do have a surprise on the drawers. I'm going to hold on to that for a little bit. I'll let you know what that surprise is for the drawers later on. But anyway, so I hope that everyone enjoyed the video today. I hope that everybody's in a great place. Be kind to one another, and we'll see you back here tomorrow in the shop. Have a good one.